If you want a necklace with a stone that shines bright like a diamond, then you need a moissanite. I'm Gina with WTI, and this necklace that I got from adoyi has simple elegance. Moissanites are my favorite stones because they have a higher refractive index than a diamond does, and you're going to pay so much less than that, and people can't even tell the difference. They sparkle and shine more than any diamond does. This necklace is so well made, and I love that the center stone isn't a pendant. The chain attaches to both sides of it, which means that it stays in the middle of my neck. The back of the necklace doesn't move around to the front like pendant necklaces do. This is a high quality stone too. I love the cut on it. It's arrows and hearts, and you can see the setting on the back is so adorable with its 18 karat white gold plating. It has that little heart that helps the light to shine through. This also comes with a certificate of authenticity, so you know that what you're getting is the real deal. So if you want that necklace that has absolute fire, you're going to love this one. And that's my point of view.